Snuggle close and count again. Dreamy nights for sleepy friends. There were 9 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Now there's 8 with a giggly shout. Roll over, giggle and shout. One rolls over and tumbles out. Snuggle close and count again. Dreamy nights for sleepy friends. Down to 7, 6, then 5 teddy bears and toys alive. 4 and 3 and 2, then 1. One more cuddle and bedtime's done. There was 1 in the bed, and the little one said, good night, good night, good night, and snuggled his head. Dreams lift soft as stars appear. Sleep tight, little one, we're near. Sing along with kids. Panda packed his bag with care, lunch and books, and combed his hair. He waved goodbye and grabbed his hat. Time for learning, fancy that. Panda goes to school today, ready to learn, laugh and play, with cradle songs and counting too. So much fun in all we do. He met new friends, a bunny and fox. They built tall towers with rainbow blocks. They sang the ABCs out loud, and Panda felt so very proud. Panda goes to school today, ready to learn, laugh and play, with cradle songs and counting too. So much fun in all we do. They read a tale of stars and skies, then painted suns with smiley eyes. Panda clapped at story's end. Learning's better with a friend. Panda goes to school, hooray! He'll be back another day, with joy and kindness as his rule. Panda loves his happy school. Something nice to eat. She munches grass so soft and green, the happiest cow you've ever seen. She jumps and twirls in morning dew, singing loud her moo moo moo. She sees a duck and gives a cheer. Quack quack, friend, come over here. They laugh and play, the skies turn gray, then cuddle close at end of day. Say moo moo moo, good night stars and moonlight too. She snuggles down in cozy hay and dreams of fun for the next new day. appear. 4 little bunnies with fluffy feet, twisting, turning to a happy beat. One bit flips with a silly sound, then tumbled gently to the mound. 3 little bunnies with ears so long, tapping their toes to a bunny song. One spun fast and fell down slow, rolling away in a giggly flow. 2 little bunnies in the flower bed, one wore daisies on her head. They twirled and twitched their cotton tails till one jumped off on grassy trails. 1 little bunny, all alone, sniffed the breeze and gave a moan. Then out popped 4 from bush and tree, now 5 again, as happy as can be. Sing along with kids. All around the mulberry tree, the bunny hopped so quickly. He twirled around with a giggly sound. Pop went the dandelion tickly. A penny for a cookie jar, a nickel for a beetle. The squirrel danced with a leafy branch. Hop goes the beetle. Round and round the garden path, chasing a butterfly giggle. They leapt and spun in morning sun. All around the garden path, chasing a butterfly giggle. They leapt and spun in morning sun. Round and round the garden path, chasing a butterfly giggle. They leapt and spun in morning sun. Pop went the dandelion tickly. A penny for a cookie jar, a nickel for a beetle. The squirrel danced with a leafy branch. Pop goes the beetle. Round and round the garden path, chasing a butterfly giggle. They leapt and spun in morning sun. Sing along with kids.
3 little kittens sliding down the slide. Whee! They giggle, enjoying the ride. One spun round and landed with a grin. Then there were 2 ready to begin. 2 little kittens zooming way down. One wore a leaf like a silly crown. 1 little kitten gave a happy cheer, then climbed back up with a laugh.